Tell me what you think about this chart here on the short term. I mean, like, we've talked about this ad nauseum, so has every other hex person on earth. But when we actually do get the fork, when the main net is live, we think obviously that there will be a sell off, just kind of like you saw teased a little bit ago with this quote unquote snapshot stuff of people selling off HEX to buy over on the Pulse side of things. So we're pumping now. Where do you think? Well, first off, I'll give you two questions here. So Richard Hart said 7 days. So he loves us. Obviously, he loves our Wednesday night streams. So that means by this time next Wednesday on the 17th of May, we will have PulseChain mainnet. So when within that time frame do you think it happens? You already alluded to like the weekend, maybe Friday or something like that. When do you think it'll happen? And what do you think this price action does? Where could it specifically get to with a mainnet announcement that we now have heading up to that? What kind of sell-off level do you think we go down to afterwards? Just kind of see if you can kind of give me a little prediction on all these angles here.
Well, you're asking a lot, but I think
I want you to get it 100% right.
Too. Well, okay. We're going to nail it here for everybody. So,
okay.
The crystal ball is telling me that, like I said, Friday or Saturday, I think is our launch day. I could see with this kind of positive news, we could get a couple dumpers step in there. People are going to trade like normal. But I could see us getting back up to 10, 12 cents pretty easily. Once it launches, then look out. I think it could probably dump by 50%. I think we could probably get down if we go I don't know, 10, 11 cents, we could probably get back into that 6 cent range. Because again, people are going to try to game the system. They think they know best, and they're going to play their games with the trading. I could see that happening. Nice little run up, big pullback. And again, we'll have to see how Ethereum kind of plays out. I think if this takes enough weight off of Ethereum, it could help those gas prices immediately. And we may not see too big of a impact on Ethereum prices. So I do think we see a lot of buying, though. It's going to really, really depend on how the liquidity pairs are set up. It's going to be interesting to watch. That's why I said I'm just probably going to sit back and watch the action and watch the prices. But if testnet is any indication of what's going to happen, I think we'll see a nice little hex on Pulse. We'll see a nice little run up there pretty quickly with that. Just people getting in and making their stakes and doing all kind of crazy stuff because again, you've got sub penny fees. So it'll make it fun for them again, and hopefully it alleviates some of that pressure on Ethereum, though, because I have a couple stakes that I've got to end that I've just been waiting for.
Exactly, yeah, and that is going to be the big thing. What you just said about the behavior leading up to it, and having a theory of sitting back and watching. That's something that we've preached and talked about on this channel, obviously, for quite some time. I feel the same as you. It's going to be super tempting. I mean, even right now, as we sit here right now, and people are sitting at home watching or whatever, and looking at the charts and just seeing the price go up like this. There may be people, well, clearly there are, the price is going up, FOMOing into HEX right now, obviously, which is still good. I mean, hey, it's still under 10 cents. I think that's pretty much an auto buy at this point. But, knowing that you could have had this thing at 2 cents a mere not even 6 months ago is a crazy thing to think of. And it will be even crazier, I think, as we go. HEXPassiveIncome.com. My friend Crypto Coffee has created what I think is probably the best course for a new cryptocurrency investor. Not only that, but these courses usually charge an arm and a leg. Crypto Coffee is only charging $200. I think right now he actually has a discount for $150. I have a link below in the description. If you are new to crypto, do not understand HEX and how it works, click the link below. It's a quick, easy course. He only gives you the basics. I personally, myself, have thought about creating an intro to crypto course in the past. I don't think there's any reason to do so because Matt, Crypto Coffee, has already taken care of that. and I don't think anything needs to be added by anybody else. So check it out. The link is in the description, and sign up to HEX Passive Income today.